I did not care about my grades at all for about 2 years, and now that my GCSEs are coming up, I am actually terrified and I want to be able to do better, but I don't know where to start. If that sounds like you, then listen to this, because I had the same exact mindset when I was doing my GCSEs before. Okay, I'm going to firstly tell you all of the famous study techniques first, and I want you to try out for yourself and try out all of the study techniques you can find. I do have a video on that, so have a look at it. If you can't find it, let me know and I can tag you in it. But the first study technique that I would suggest is the Feynman technique, and then there's blurting, Pomodoro technique, and then flashcards like Anki. And then after that, we have flowcharting mind mapping, which you can also relate to blurting. And then there's the Cornell notes method. And then there's also topic questions method. And then there's also eat the frog. The Leitner technique is the other one as well. Now, after you figure all of that out, you want to do a lot of practice. When you're doing practice, you want to use the topic questions and you want to use your summarized notes in order to answer them. Now, this applies for everything, not just GCSEs, but it also applies for A-levels and university. What you want to do with the summarized notes is to literally have the summarized notes open in one side and then have the topic questions in the other side. You want to do it blindly. The mistake that students make is thinking that, oh my god, like if I don't know the content, why would I do the topic questions? That's the completely wrong mindset to have, because the topic questions will help you tackle two things at once. Firstly, it will help you to tackle understanding the keywords and also understanding the clues in the question. And secondly, you're learning at the same time. So you're doing exam techniques and also learning the content at the same time. It takes a bit of time, but trust me, it's much faster than rewriting notes. And that comes to number 3 as well. The worst passive learning technique is to literally just copy paste textbooks. If you have one textbook on one side, you highlight it and then you copy what's written there into a notebook, you're most likely just doing passive learning without actually getting anything into your head. So you really want to try that out and see. If this is not working for you, then do not do that anymore. Do all of the other study techniques. And then last but not least, number 4, if you're doing a long exam, like if it's your actual final exam, things like that, you want to start studying 3 months before if you can, and do past papers about 1.5 months before your actual exams. For me in university, I used to do topic questions every day until I can do the questions in my mind, or until I can do it with my eyes closed basically. I would redo the same paper over and over again. And for math, I would do like MIT papers and things like that. It doesn't matter if it's like so much harder than what I need it to be. The harder it is, the better my exam will be, because I know my exam's not going to be that difficult. If you have any other questions, let me know, but I think I've covered the main parts. I guess there's motivation and also mindset as well, but I'll make another video on that. All the best, bye!